This is fun dose. These guys are on motorcycle when tigers start chasing after them. This guy flip entire mayonnaise in his backpack to see what happens.
I think that's good because when we do the drawstring, it's gonna squeeze it a little bit.
Oh no.
Make sure when you have your mayonnaise in your backpack, you smooth it over. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
A diver came face to face with a great white shark. This person made a platform game they uses object from around the room. These police officers gather outside this store to catch thieves.
Oh, hey, buddy!
Wow, that worked out great.
Yeah.
For two.
Yeah, for two.
Brandon, grab an arm here. Nope.
Here is a really weird optical illusion. Each piece is exactly the same size, but when one placed next to each other, one appears larger than the other. We upload 2 videos daily. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any video. Thanks for watching.